Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what we consider the best sit-to-stand learning walker activity center currently available. The SYNCFUN Baby Learning Walker, a 2-in-1 learning toy designed for babies aged 6 to 12 months and beyond. Right off the bat, what makes this product stand out is its thoughtful 2-in-1 design that transitions effortlessly from a sit-down activity center to a stable push walker. It's built not just to entertain your baby but also to encourage early developmental milestones like standing, walking, and fine motor skills, all while keeping playtime engaging and safe. Let's begin with the walking support features. SYNCFUN has made sure to address one of the biggest concerns for parents: safety. This walker includes 2 speed control settings, perfect for adjusting the pace based on your baby's growth stage. For infants just starting out, there's a low speed mode to ensure a steady and manageable push. As your little one grows more confident and hits the 12-month mark, the walker can be switched to a standard speed, supporting their natural development and balance. Next up is the detachable play panel, one of the most versatile features of this toy. This panel can be used independently on the floor, clipped onto a crib, or left attached to the walker itself. That means your baby can enjoy stimulating activities even during tummy time or when sitting up. It's not just about walking. Now, let's talk about what's on that play panel, because this is where the SYNCFUN really earns its name. The panel includes interactive audio and visual features, such as light-up buttons, animal sound keys, and a built-in piano with 7 unique modes. These elements not only captivate your baby's attention but also help develop sensory skills, auditory recognition, and even early music appreciation. What's more, there's an interactive toy phone with sound effects, as well as rolling wheels that create a tactile experience. SYNCFUN has gone the extra mile to ensure playtime is both educational and joyful. Whether your child is exploring ABC buttons or experimenting with different instrument tones, they're constantly learning through play. An often overlooked but much appreciated feature is the volume control switch, which lets parents choose between off, low, and high volume settings. It's a small touch, but one that adds a lot of peace of mind when managing noise levels at home. But what truly brings this learning walker to life is its rich library of built-in songs and sounds. There are 6 nursery rhymes, 5 animal tunes, 10 instrument sounds, 10 animal noises, 26 alphabet songs, along with 7 drum rhythms and 20 MIDI tunes. That's a staggering amount of content packed into one toy. Plus, if your baby pauses for a while, a friendly reminder sound activates after 30 seconds of inactivity, and it includes a sleep mode to save energy when not in use. Just keep in mind, the walker requires 3 Ah batteries, which are not included, and adult assembly is needed, though the setup is straightforward. In terms of build, it's made from durable ABS plastic, giving it a lightweight yet sturdy frame. The dimensions are compact enough for easy storage but wide enough to offer solid support as a baby learns to walk. If you're shopping for a baby aged 6 months and up, or if you're looking for the perfect educational gift for a 1-year-old, the SYNCFUN Baby Learning Walker is a fantastic option. It's a safe, interactive, and well-rounded activity center that adapts with your child's growth. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more product breakdowns and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.